Now let's just get on and spill this already spilled juice. We are going to talk about the SONA, the most popular thing today. Today, February the 8th, 2024, marks the significant occasion of the President's State of the Nation address, the SONA. He should focus on the key policies and interventions that will address the current official high unemployment rate of 32%. That's in South Africa. The youth unemployment rate of 52%. That's in South Africa. And poverty and equality. This should be solution driven rather than mere lip service and empty promises that have been rendered to South Africans over the past years. South Africa is at a point where it needs strategic solutions and intervention plans to deal with corruption, combat unemployment, protect jobs, create new ones, and create a conducive environment for business and investments to thrive. Hashtag SONA 2024. And this is by Blessings Ramoba. Guys, everyone is interested in the SONA, not because of we are voting this year, but also because of what are we voting for, and is there a change in what we're voting for. So please tune in. It is an important intervention to tune in. But do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.